Welcome to our channel. If you're interested in participating in clinical trials, follow these step-by-step instructions to find and safely enroll in medical research studies. Step 1. Visit ClinicalTrials.gov, the official U.S. government database of clinical studies. Search by condition, location, or treatment type to find trials recruiting participants. Step 2. Talk to your doctor about clinical trial options. Your healthcare provider can recommend relevant studies and help you understand if participation is appropriate for your situation. Step 3. Contact major medical centers and research hospitals in your area. Academic medical institutions frequently conduct clinical trials and recruit participants directly. Step 4. Review the trial's eligibility criteria carefully. Each study has specific requirements regarding age, diagnosis, previous treatments, and other factors that determine who can participate. Step 5. Understand the informed consent process before enrolling. Study staff must explain the trial's purpose, procedures, risks, benefits, and your rights as a participant. Step 6. Ask detailed questions about the study protocol. Inquire about time commitment, potential side effects, what happens after the trial ends, and whether you'll receive compensation or free treatment. Step 7. Verify the trial is approved and monitored by an institutional review board. This independent committee reviews studies to ensure participant safety and ethical conduct. Step 8. Remember you can withdraw from a clinical trial at any time for any reason. Participation is always voluntary, and leaving a study will not affect your regular medical care. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.